Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bissel Turboclean Powerbrush Pet is probably one of the most sought-after carpet cleaners for pet owners, and for good reason, as it promises to tackle those stubborn pet stains and odors with its powerful cleaning action and specialized features designed to make your life easier when dealing with furry friends' messes. This review will dive deep into its performance, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if this is the ultimate solution for maintaining a fresh and clean home, even with pets running around. Number 5. Bissell Little Green 1400B Portable Cleaner. Join over 7 million households who trust us for their deep cleaning needs. We are America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. Say goodbye to stress over spills and stains. Our cleaner is scientifically proven to lift and remove over 100 common messes and stains, leaving your home looking its best. Experience the difference with our ultra-powerful triple-action formula. It permanently removes stains and eliminates odors, giving you results that make surfaces look like new. Keep cleaning without interruption thanks to the large 48 ounces clean water tank. It allows you to clean more in one go. Getting rid of tough stains is easy. Simply spray, scrub, and suction away messes for a fresh and clean result. Stop spreading messes with paper towels. Our cleaner gets deep into surfaces to remove stains and odors from beneath, providing a true deep clean. Feel good about your purchase. Every Bissell product supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to tackle everyday spills and stains, this is the one. Its powerful formula and large tank mean less effort and more cleaning. Choose this if you want a proven solution for quick cleanups. What people say. This has easily wiped out stains on my white cloth couch. It works, which is the biggest thing for me. Plus, a couple of these stains, like the cat vomit one on the living room wool rug, had been there for months and nothing I tried would get it out. The machine is relatively light to carry around and is compact to stow away when finished. Number 4. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. Introducing the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. It's designed to tackle your toughest carpet messes with powerful cleaning technology. Its XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush rotates to remove deep down dirt, making your carpets look like new. This machine cleans effectively on both forward and backward passes. Experience faster drying times compared to rental cleaners. The efficient design means you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your fresh carpets. With large capacity clean and dirty water tanks, you can achieve a deep clean without constant trips to the sink. This reduces your overall cleaning time significantly. It comes with a 9-inch long reach hose and a 6-inch tough stain tool, perfect for reaching difficult areas. The included Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology helps lift stubborn spots. This deep cleaner includes Bissell 2X Professional Deep Cleaning Formula, packed with stain-fighting power. Get ready for a truly professional clean in your own home. What we like. For those deep-seated dirt and grime issues, this machine offers unparalleled power. Its dual-action cleaning and specialized tools reach where others can't. If you need a professional-grade clean for heavily soiled carpets, this is your best bet. What people say. This is at the top of the stairway in the upstairs hallway. She placed the machine and then pulled the handle, releasing the cleaning solution and water, and pulled the machine backwards one time. She did not go back over the spot. Look at the results. The Bissell Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine has a 5-year residential warranty on the machine, which is excellent. The suction is so good that the carpets are merely damp after vacuuming. No fans needed as the carpets dry within a couple of hours on their own. Number 3. Bissell 2910 2987 2806 PowerForce Replacement Belts, 2-pack. These replacement belts are designed to fit a wide range of Bissell carpet cleaners, including the PowerForce and TurboClean models. Ensure your vacuum is compatible with part number 1606428. Crafted from durable and flexible elastic rubber, these belts offer long-lasting reliability. They are made to enhance the power of your vacuuming experience. Replacing your old belt is simple. Just remove the damaged one from your vacuum head and install this new drive belt in its place. It's an easy way to bring your cleaner back to life. For the best results, we recommend replacing your vacuum cleaner belts every 3 to 9 months. This ensures your machine continues to perform at its peak. Each package includes 2 replacement flat pump belts, part number 1606428. These are specifically designed for your Bissell PowerForce and Turboclean carpet cleaners. What we like. If your current carpet cleaner is losing power, a simple belt replacement might be all you need. These belts are designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting reliability. Choose this if you want to restore your machine's performance without buying a new one. What people say. That new belt showed up real fast, got me back in the races with my carpet cleaning machine. Use these on my carpet cleaner, belts were good. Absolutely 5 stars. I even went to a vacuum shop to find his rubber band and it was discontinued. I'll go on Amazon and I got real lucky. Number 2. Bissell CrossWave X7 Cordless Pet Pro. Introducing the Bissell CrossWave X7 Cordless Pet Pro, designed for homes with pets. Save time by vacuuming and washing simultaneously on multiple surfaces. Experience cordless freedom with a durable digital motor that provides up to 30 minutes of runtime. This allows for convenient cleaning without being tied to an outlet. Our Turbo Pet mode is engineered to handle pet messes effectively. It provides a boost of suction and cleaning solution to tackle even stuck-on debris. Keep your home smelling fresh with our Pet multi-surface formula, featuring Febreze freshness. It's designed to eliminate pet odors on sealed hard floors. Enjoy grab-and-go convenience with its ultra-lightweight design. Weighing just over 10.5 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around your home. This versatile cleaner is safe and effective on a variety of surfaces. Use it on tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, and even to refresh area rugs. What we like. For pet owners who want the ultimate convenience and advanced cleaning, this is a game changer. It tackles tough pet messes across multiple surfaces, all without cords. If you value smart technology and effortless multi-surface cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. Vacuums and mops at the same time. Dirty tank is dirty, so it's working well. Pretty lightweight and no cord is great. The self-cleaning cycle works very well. The brush doesn't get hair tangled around the ends and work its way into the motor, and it has plenty of power to tackle a whopping 10-cat household. Number 1. Bissel Turboclean Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner Mop and Vacuum, 3548. Tired of cleaning your floors in multiple steps? Now you can vacuum and wash your sealed hard floors all at once. Save time and effort with this innovative machine. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. Reach every corner of your home without being tethered to an outlet. This versatile cleaner is designed for all your sealed hard floors. Effortlessly clean wood, tile, linoleum, laminate, and more in just one step. Achieve optimal cleaning results with its smart fluid dispensing system. It automatically dispenses the right amount of water and formula onto the floor as you clean. Feel good about your purchase. Every Bissell product supports the Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to save homeless pets. What we like. If you primarily have sealed hard floors and want a quick, one-step cleaning solution, this is ideal. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Choose this for easy, cordless maintenance of your wood, tile, or laminate floors. What people say. It's not bulky like my old CrossWave, and comes with its own cleaning tool, and is much easier to clean in general. It dries the floors better, doesn't leave behind streaks. Super lightweight. Charge time is approximately 3 hours. Comes with small bottle of soap and brush to scrape off any excess dust or debris from your floors. Suction is great. Floors are instantly clean and dried within 5 minutes. Easy to push and pull when using, and the base is super lightweight too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.